Hello everyone, myself Advait Joshi from Team Hygienity Solutions. I will be presenting the presentation Introduction to Hygienity Nanocoatings. Before starting the presentation, let's take some information about our company. We, Hygienity Solutions Private Limited, in 2021 started manufacturing protective nanocoatings for various materials which maintain surface clean and hygienic for long time, saving water, cleaning material and efforts. Our vision is to improve and make cleaning process efficient by providing innovative solutions which are reliable, eco-friendly and cost-effective. And for this, me and my colleague Vipul Sawan are directing this company, and in this journey, few R&D interns, technical consultants and industry experts are also associated with us. That's all about our background. Now moving to our presentation, focusing on main three issues we have developed our products. We all know that the toilet or any cleaning process is very exhausting, expensive and in current scenario it is demanding too, due to which excessive amount of water, cleaning materials and fresheners are being consumed. Additionally, the available cleaners are threat to the environment and quite hazardous to human health with the acidic content in it, which also degrades material quality permanently. We too agree that the surface disinfection is very important, but the acidic cleaners is the only affordable option currently available. So as a solution to these problems, we have developed Hygienity Nanocoating solution for toilets, urinals and basin. This is an artificial non-stick nanocoating spray, consists of two coatings, base coat and top coat. Base coat creates adhesive antibacterial layer on the surface and top coat increases the slipperiness of base coat and makes surface odorless. So basically this coating will prevent the surface from scaling, bacteria and odor due to its non-stick property and maintain the surface clean and disinfectant. Talking about the durability, it depends upon the flush cycles. Base coat can long last 7 to 15 days and top coat is to be sprayed daily once or twice to perform disinfection and odor removal process. Similarly, based on the same working principle, on demand we have developed nano coating for bathroom tiles. This coating creates hydrophobic layer on the tile and prevents deposition of hard water stain. It remains intact up to 90 days and gives easy to clean effect after. For better understanding, we have prepared a performance video of our product. Here it is. Yes. In this video, we have tested our coating against solid and both liquid waste material. Now coming to the main question, what value our product is generating for the customer? The answer would be, based on the basic properties, anti-scaling, antibacterial and anti-odor, the surface will be stain-free, germ-free and odor-free, which will add value creating clean, eco-friendly and sustainable environment. This further adds no daily deep cleaning, saving water, time, efforts and your monthly expense on cleaners, fresheners and other extra accessories like naphthalene balls, wire mesh, etc. Also, due to less use of acidic cleaners on the surface, material quality will be intact, along with saving in daily and yearly maintenance cost. Further, to quantify the water saving, considering our standard kits which are designed for 25 toilet surfaces, 72,000 liters of water can be saved with Hygienity per year, which is around saving of 5,500 rupees considering water tanker prices and water bills. Also, with saving water, material and time, major reduction in carbon footprint is also achievable, which will be the short contribution towards sustainable. Talking about the competition for this product range, there is no such direct competition being a patented product under process. However, indirect competitors like Diversey, Tasky, Harpic are leading us to think on maintenance and further enhancement in view of our quality, delivery and cost effectiveness. And with the additional advantages mentioned here, we are trying to overcome this competition. First, our product is a preventive coating which prevents stains and odor and eliminates daily deep cleaning. Solution is cost effective than existing treatments. Unlike regular cleaners, it only requires 1 or 2 ml of solution to get a desired effect. From a point of view of workers, application process is very quick and effortless, which saves their lot of time. And last but not the least, it saves water required for cleaning, which is around 8 liter per toilet daily. Our best competitive advantage is our cost effectiveness. So based on the MRPs, our products serve all these convenience in just 2 to 3 rupees per day per toilet surface. Hygienity products are well suited in the B2B sectors mentioned and the agencies providing service to this facility. Also in B2C sectors like individual customers and the cleaning agencies also. Next, these are our esteemed customers who are benefited from our products and have verified our products with good feedbacks, based on which we are constantly improving. Okay, next. As an organization, we understand that finalizing the product or taking a decision is quite time consuming process, but to make you avail our product as quick as possible, we have proposed an execution plan. Accordingly, we can start working. After approving our idea by key decision makers, we would love to give you product trial before finalizing the decision. To make that happen, you can give us a call or you can write a mail or WhatsApp message also. These are the certifications we have received till date. Further, to get detailed information about products or its MSDS and TDS, you can visit our website, on which you can also get information about our upcoming products which may suit your business. So that's all from my side, and thank you very much for listening to this presentation. Have a nice day and waiting for your reply. Thank you very much.